Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to turn three 6x6x12 boxes into one box. That will reduce the shipping cost significantly. I'm gonna go ahead and tape the first box, and I'm gonna be using a lot of tape in this to make sure that it's taped properly. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tape two boxes first, and then I'm gonna tape the other one together with the other two, and make sure that the boxes are level, because you don't want one to be shorter than the other one, because if that's the case, it's not gonna work. You're gonna have to start over, because the idea is to tape all three boxes together and make them look like one box. Now I'm done with two boxes. Okay, now of course I'm gonna use more tape, but for now this is enough to keep two boxes together. So now I'm gonna tape the third box. Again, you have to use a lot of tape to do this, otherwise one box will end up missing, and it's possible you'll end up losing your product. Now I'm making sure the boxes actually fit properly and make sure they level, and then once I'm sure about that, then I can go ahead and apply more tape. And as you can see, I'm taping it diagonally, so that way it's stronger, and I'm doing this on both sides. Now finally, make sure your measurements are okay. So in our case, the new measurement will be 6x18x12, and make sure you have that correctly. Thank you for watching.